If you're replacing or fitting an LNB, wouldn't it be good if it was easier to align to get the best quality signal? Well, GeoSync have achieved just that with their Universal Quad LNB, the GK4LB. It comes fitted with a bracket with spirit level that clicks straight onto your Zone 1 or 2 elliptical dish. The wider neck accurately holds the LNB at the focal point, and the collar has a large V to line up the angle markings. Best of all, there is a recess to help you align on Sky or Freesat signals. The GK4LB is a universal Ku-band LNB, compatible with Sky HD, Freesat HD and European satellite broadcasts. It has 4 outlets and can be connected to 4 satellite receivers or 2 PVRs, receivers with built-in recorders. Like all GeoSync LNBs, it uses our patented feed horn design to focus a cleaner, stronger signal. So, if you want a better LNB that's easier to fit, check out the GK4LB Quad from GeoSync.